Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming size and TOG so the sack matches room temperature. Once done, unzip and lay it flat on a firm surface. Gently place your baby on their back atop the open sack, supporting the head and neck. Make sure arms are positioned as intended by the design. If the sack has a foot pouch, align heels with the foot area. This reduces twisting and ensures comfort as you move to the next step. Now focus on fasteners. Zip or snap gently while keeping one hand near the baby's torso to prevent rolling. Once closed, smooth any fabric to eliminate folds around the neck and shoulders. This prevents irritation and keeps an unobstructed airway. If your model lets arms out or in, position them according to age and startle reflex control. Make sure the sack allows natural hip movement. Avoid forcing legs together. These steps maintain safety and promote better sleep. Finish with a full safety check. Confirm the zipper guard covers teeth and the neck area sits flat. Once secured, observe that shoulder seams and hip area fit snugly but not tight. There should be room for natural leg movement. If the baby fusses or seems too warm, remove a layer or change TOG. For persistent fit issues, try the next size. Clues like excessive fabric at feet or tight shoulders mean it's time to swap. This keeps sleep safe and comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.